Hey guys, so the new Resolve 17 is out and you can just grab it. It's a completely free download for a free version, and you can just go to their website and you have a link here or in the bottom of the page and you can press it, and those are the free versions and those two are the paid versions. So 17 is in beta right now. To download it, just pick your operating system, which one you want, fill out your data, and you have it here. It's 2.2 gigabytes, and just wait for it to download. And I have it here, and then just extract all files. And there you have it. Open. And you just go through the process, and that's it. So this version is completely free. You can use it for anything. Just the effects that use the neural engine are restricted on the free version, and you can only use it in Studio. So that's it.